Hi everyone, Morgan here, and I'm going to show you 3 types of propane cooking items in which you can use to cook, boil water, and for various different types of purposes. So first of all, I'm going to show you the good old Coleman. Who doesn't know this Coleman? This Coleman has been around a very long time. This is a classic, you know. They're about 50 bucks these days. It takes this 1 pound propane tank, which you can get pretty much anywhere. It is very efficient. This would be really good for home or for camping if you're going like car camping, something like that. These are great. We used them full time for about 2 months when we lived in Alaska and absolutely loved it. So we did use it indoors, but we had a window open at the time every time we used it. Just a little window. What you do is you just spin this little part. There's a little hole right here and you're just spinning it on. All right, just spin it on nice and tight. Ooh, bonk. All right, so you just put it in, screw it on, boom. Okay, and then you just turn these on. There we go. There we go. Okay. That was my lighter not working on this, and there you go. All right, so we're just gonna turn it off. And then I'm gonna show you this one. This is a really nice single burner. I'll show that to you. This is a single burner propane stove that again uses the 1 pound propaners here. And these can be found anywhere, you know, Amazon, Walmart, any camping goods store. I usually get 2 for either 8 bucks or 2 for $9. But okay, so you just put it on. Spin, spin, spin. Turn, and then just like the other light. Woo! This one's very strong. Turn it down a little. There we go. And the lowest setting. Ta-da! Super easy. Turn off. This one is great. I think this whole thing is like 20 bucks. Not this whole thing, but this thing. Now this is actually just an attachment. Here, take this off and then I'll do it. It's just like a little stand. Put it on the bottom, and then it has bottoms. Now when we bought this little stand came with it, but I don't know if the stands come with them anymore. But oops, get that out of the way. See, it just makes it more stable. You can do it like that, or ouch, push them in. And where are the other? Here we go. There you go. The last propane option is going to be these little, okay, so this is a little camping stove. They're just mini camping stoves. It looks kind of funny, right? Just a little mini one. It uses these little canisters. These little canisters are so efficient. So this is a blended fuel. It's not straight propane, it's not straight butane, it's a blended. So all you do is you take it off, you're gonna screw it on just like you would anything else. You're just gonna screw it on. But these are super efficient. Like this one is like pretty old. And it takes us a long time to use it, especially, you know, even if you're using it like all the time, it takes a little while. Now, a lot of them have a self striker. So you actually use this to just use this thing to turn it on. And once you hear the gas, now this igniter should be working. That happens sometimes. So you can just, ooh, look at that thing. I'm gonna turn it down a little. There we go. I love these little things. They're so cute and portable. And so we just turn it off. Make sure it's all the way off. What's nice is that if you get like a pot in which this can nest in, like I'll show you here in just a second, you just take it off. Get back on. Okay, and then you can nest it in. So put that in there. Fold this back up. I always forget which way it goes. There we go. Okay, fold that back up. This folds in, folds back into there, and then closes up, goes back in. This is the only thing that just kind of fits a little funny like that. Like it doesn't close fully, but when you pull it up like that, it's good. You know, it's all contained in there, so. So these are the 3 propane options for cooking, whether you're camping at home. I mean, we have all of these options, and you know, we could use all of them for almost any of those options. You know, if we're car camping, we can use the Coleman. Again, if we're car camping and you know, you want to use this, you may just want to use that, you know what I mean, instead of carrying it around backpacking. Like, you know, this would be more like a hiking, backpacking situation, you know. But this could be, you know, car camping. If you want to carry this backpack, you can. But again, any of this could be a home option, but can also be an outdoors option as well. And especially if you're in an area that has burn bans, we almost exclusively rely on this during a large portion of our years, since we can't make fires. Sometimes we can't even make fires in the designated like barbecue fire pits, just because it's a burn ban, no fires, period. So not even in contained, you know, systems like that. So anyway, I just wanted to give you some options. These are super easy to stock up on. They last forever. The little propane butane, the same thing. You can stock up on those. They last forever. And you have amazing options for a variety of situations to cook food, boil water for hygiene, you know, for cleaning and whatever. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to you later. Bye.